I'm Jen Burson. I'm the founder of Generation PR and the creator of the Profitable PR Pros community, where I teach PR experts how to effectively run PR campaigns for their clients and how to launch, grow, and scale their own profitable PR agencies. Thank you for joining me today. We are going to be talking all about clients, okay? Once you get the clients, how do you manage the relationships so that everything runs smoothly? Let me know if this sounds like you. You start working with clients and maybe you end up not really liking them that much. You possibly ignore red flags when you first start talking with them. Maybe you feel disinterested and unmotivated to do the work on their campaigns, or maybe you kind of started off on the right foot with these clients, but then things kind of spiral downhill after the first couple weeks or months. Give me a thumbs up if that sounds remotely familiar to you. It happens to the best of us. But I will say one of the things that I love so much, one of the things I love the most about having my own business is getting to choose who I get to work with. That's the most important thing. I mean, these are the relationships that are going to be probably what you're dealing with in your day during your day-to-day more than anything. I mean, I talk sometimes with clients more than I talk with my own husband during the day. So these relationships are really important because you're going to be dealing with these people all the time, and you want to ensure that the relationship is smooth and that it's awesome, and that they're going to be long-lasting. Because in my Path to Profitability framework that I share for how you grow and scale a profitable agency, the foundation is consistent, predictable, recurring retainer revenue. And that comes from clients. And you want to build on the foundation by keeping those clients happy. And then build on top of it, leverage the results you get for them to attract other clients. So you want to ensure that those relationships are going to be solid. The other thing is, you know what, this is your business and you want to work with clients that you love, brands and products or people, the entrepreneurs that you believe in, that you feel personally connected to, that light you up and inspire you. Imagine every day working with brands that you don't really love, products you don't think are awesome. You're just collecting a paycheck. It's like, why bother building a business around clients and brands and things that you don't love and you're not passionate about? So it's about really setting those expectations and then getting their buy-in, so that they really understand what to expect, cadence-wise, when to expect things and how often, what frequency, what types of publications. As you are bringing those clients in, you can put together a strategy. So this is the very first thing you do when you bring in a client, is setting expectations before they sign the contract, and then putting the strategy in front of them so they see the support that you're going to offer, what you're going to be pitching, in what time frame, and they are fully bought into it so that they know exactly what it is that you're going to be doing for them and when they can expect things to start to come into fruition, right? Part of this is the onboarding sequence of how we transition clients into the agency, which is shared inside the program, so that you have a seamless transition in and they know what you expect that they will provide to you. Are they going to be shipping the samples? Is that going to be you in your office, somebody on your team doing it? What can they expect from you so that they know what you are relying on them to do? We just had a client relationship that did not go extremely well because we needed more support internally, and they initially promised us a team member that we could connect with, and then that team member was overworked. They were strapped with other obligations, and our needs kind of fell by the wayside. So we would request samples and they wouldn't go out. We would request documents that we needed in terms of support and we wouldn't get them. We would request reviews of influencer campaigns and they wouldn't get back to us in a timely manner. And so those opportunities would go by the wayside. And that was not a relationship that was going to work long term. So we had a discussion and we said, you're not ready for PR. Let's just kind of part ways. And if you want to come back when you have the support that we need, we'll do that. So it really helps to have the expectations that the clients are expected from you as well, right? You can't just do this alone. You need their support. You need to have things turned around in a timely manner, samples sent out. You need supporting documents. So that also needs to be discussed at the outset. What do you need from the client in order to be successful for them?